husband of Chin. And so, when I came into the family, he was one of the nicest people I ever met. He was very kind, very strong, very attentive to his kids. And Chin had mentioned in the past, he had a lot of hardships when he was younger. And so, it's just very amazing to see a person with that many hardships be so strong and passionate when, a lot of people, when they have issues when they're younger, can go the other direction. And, he always welcomed me into the family, and, I always admired how he always was, and what he brought. And you can see all those traits in him, that, the passion, the strength, in all his children. And I see that in every one of them. They all are strong. And you look at what people want to achieve in life, what they want to do, what they want to be. And, he helped raise his kids, his grandkids, and I think he would look back on his life and say he was really proud of what he achieved. And I don't know if anyone can say they left anything on the table to do any more. And I see that in my wife, Jean, too, of how strong and courageous and intelligent she is. And she's emblematic of what he was, and I see that in her. And so I'm very thankful for him and all he did in his life. And again, I think he has every right to be proud, and he has every right to rest knowing what he achieved that not a lot of people get to. Thank you.
About the grandkid. Any grandkid on the kid?
First of all, good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming over. I am cing-waah's grandson. My dad is Pawa, so I'm his son. But yeah, I got a lot of memories of my grandfather, from fishing, hunting, even just picking me up from school. But I'm very grateful that I get to have those memories inside of me, and I get to share it with my parents, even though my parents are working hard all the time and trying to raise us, make a living for us. Just want to thank everybody for coming over, helping us donate your time, and yeah, thank you guys.
Vì đồng phong tỏi với con tình đó mà cả ta dạo tỏi cái nhiều quá thì tôi chẳng mà lộn nhưng mà hỏi con cái tiền ni cho là con bùa bọn giờ bảo tí nhộng bóng ngoài cái tiền trong hồ nhé như thằng chẳng con đâu ok